Hi guys, this is where I stand now. We have a rolling chassis. I already cut the supports for the engine, and my objective today is try to screw the engine in place, to have everything together in order to start the engine and see the wheel spin. So I have a few hours. Let's see if I can manage to do this today. Let's go. I've secured the engine. I made all the holes and secured it. I think it's okay. The chain is not connected, but I will try to start it. First time on the frame. Let's go. It works! I've been doing some work off camera. What I did is I built this tensioner, chain tensioner, because I didn't like this already made tensioner. So I fabricate one myself. I just use this roller. But the idea is, let me see if I can show you. This works like this, and here I'm gonna drill a hole, a put and screw, and then I can adjust the tension on the chain. But first I'm gonna reinforce this the sprocket support. I'm gonna build a spacer to be screwed here. I finally put the sprocket and the sprocket support in place. I had to put the key here in this hole. It was a pain in the ass just to get this trench right and get the depth right in order for this to be completely sit in place. Like I show you, I finished this tensioner. I put this spring here. It's not fabulous, but I think for now it's good. This white thing is just a spray, a chain lubricant, and I've already tried and started this, and it looks good. The sprocket itself is not totally centered, and there is some oscillations, but we'll see if this will be okay or not. I just want to start the engine and rotate it, the axle, just to show you how this is right now. That's it. I have to see if I have to. I think I have to put the sprocket more in the center. Now that it runs, it has to stop. So I already have the disc here. I need to put the key, of course, but first I'm gonna try to put the caliper here. Remember, I have it in the other cart here and here, so I'm gonna transfer it to the other cart. I built this support here. The only problem is that this, to be really secure, this needs to be more in the inside of the cart. But now I have that screw there. I have to trim it a little bit in order to the brake disc to sit a little bit more in the inside. And then I'm gonna secure this, and I think it will be okay. It looks good. I already welded the support for the caliper. It went really well. The weld looks very good. Now, next step is to make the support for the master cylinder. I was trying to make a custom support, but I will take the one from the donor cart here. I will show you. I will cut these supports and then transfer it to the buggy. I'm really happy. It's the first time I gotta sit on the cart and try to test it, and fantastic. Of course I have to make some adjustments, of course, but it's fantastic. This feeling is just fantastic. Thank you. I'm going to make some adjustments. I have to put the throttle cable, but it all seems to be still okay. Thank you. Hi guys, as you could see in the previous video, I already tested this. It was a great feeling. It was very nice to get the hands on the wheel on this. Actually I found some issues. I found issues with the braking system. It's getting a little bit hot, as well as the clutch system. So I reckon the brake system is getting a little bit stuck. I already ordered a completely new brake system, caliper, hose, and master cylinder, but I'm actually just trying to see if I can solve it temporarily. And what other issue I got was the front. It's very loose. There is a lot of weight in the back, so there's a few weight in the back in the front. So the steering is not very well. When I steer it, it goes straight instead of turning. So I will try to put I don't remember the word now, but it's a structure in steel to avoid the hitting things. Really sorry for forgetting this. And then maybe put some weight, actually some weight in it. There is also a slack in the steering. I'm also gonna fix that and decrease the tire pressure a little bit. So let's go do it, and then I will test it again. Hi guys, that's it for this episode. This was a very fun episode to do. I'm really satisfied with the results. It was a great feeling doing this episode, getting the hands on the cart and test it. even though it's not perfect, of course. I'm really satisfied. This is a milestone. Getting things at this point is very important to me. I have to make some adjustments, and mainly I have to change, like I said, the brake system. Also, the word I was looking for, it's bumper. I have to put the bumper. I want to put some more weight on the front, and maybe just test another set of tires that I have here. So let's see what I'm capable of doing. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.